To change lock screen right shortcut in the going to work routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap going to work routine, tap change lock screen shortcut, tap right shortcut, and then select the desired app you like to use as the right shortcut. As the example, we will select Google Maps app. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the going to work routine is on, your phone will automatically set the Google Maps app as the right shortcut on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.